welcome to my channel. Today I am going to explain about Mahotsav. Mahotsav is an annual tree planting festival in India celebrated in the first week of July. This movement was initiated in the year 1950 by India's Union Minister for Agriculture, Kulavati Dr. K.M. Munshi. This festival has gained immense national importance. Every year, millions of saplings are planted all across India in observation of Mahotsav week. It is expected that every citizen of India has to plant a sapling in the Mahotsav week. It helps spread awareness amongst people about the harm by cutting down of trees. People celebrate Mahotsav by planting saplings and trees in homes, offices, schools, colleges, etc. Awareness campaigns are held at various levels. Noble promotions like circulation of trees are taken up by various organizations and volunteers. The trees during this festival serve various purposes like providing alternative fuels, increase production of food resources, help create shelter belts around fields, increase productivity, helps provide food for cattle, offer decorative landscapes and shade, helps conserve soil deterioration, etc. This festival educates awareness amongst trees and humans and portrays the needs of planting trees and tending all trees, as trees are one of the best ways to prevent global warming and reduce pollution. Mahotsav is the festival of life. Look at this picture. We should not cut trees. We should not pollute our environment. We should plant more trees and saplings that makes our wildlife and for us healthy. We should encourage our agriculture and plants give us food for us. Thank you.